Hello everyone, welcome back to Edgy Craft Professional. I hope you all are enjoyed the previous videos and the previous two videos continuously done by the butterfly layer haircut. It's called first one is long butterfly layer haircut and the second one which is called like a short butterfly layer haircut. In this subject today we're going to be learning like square layers, something add layers and she don't want to be reduced much up to the length. So apart from that something we are going to combination of concave layers so even this haircut. And the sections that will be the RC section, box section we're going to be taken the top portion and the back portion will be visible like square and the side to side it will be taken to the like and below the eyebrow we just taken to the crown portions. Why? Because to be add additional more layers to compare to the previous in the sides, and it will be top portion it will become more bouncier and it will become voluminous and it will going to be reduced on the top length as well. So that is the complete of the plan which can be exhibiting on the sectioning overall the layer haircut. And each and every haircut sections with it professionally we just distributing with the sun. So according to the haircuts, and now just subsections got separated and the back portion I'm just going to be a clipping and just all the help up to the comb also you can just see very well, and you can back portion also you can just see that. Now I'm just released to the back portion and just giving to the one line basic haircut. Then after that I'm going to be start with the layers top of that. So in the every video to be we're going to be implement with a small changes on the haircut before and after the haircut transformations and the styling techniques and elevations and graduations and all. Please let me know comments below the previous all videos how was it, and you can just go and watch with the previous oldest videos. And what you haven't seen in the present videos, please let me know comments below. And this haircut video will be going to be pretty much attractive and very much interesting. Stay till the end, you will be getting more learning skills as well in this video. Now I just picked with exactly center profile. I just picked up with exactly 125 degree and rest of the hair just adding the layers. Only up to nape area to crown area I'm just picking with exactly all the hair at a time. Why? Because the length it will very less. I don't want to be reduced much also. The rest of the top of the hair, the nape area hairlines and just adding with more layers, more bouncier look and layer looks, and it will be adding with multiple things on that hair. So in this video the layer cut which my client whatever is done the previously something shortest layer she was done, and she got messed up with some other layers in the front frames as well. So in this time she asked something fresh look and apart from that same length. So this is I chose, and after the haircut and the side portion I just cross checked. I come to another side and the same stationary guideline I picked and just exactly be adding with a 125 layer elevations. The sections, how much less section you can just take, it will be going to haircut, it will be carry forward very neat and clean as well. Now back portion is cross checked also, so both the sides it's almost done. Now come to the side portion. Before add the layers I'm just giving to the one leg basic. Now pick from stationary guideline from back. Rest of the hair I'm just connecting towards the layers. So that is a simple concept which can be given with the easiest way to understand all the layer techniques and haircut skills and all. If you have any doubts or any questions, please let me know comments below. Definitely I'll update for you all those questions. And now I came to another side and just finish the one line basic. Now just rest of the hair and just pick from the back guideline. Rest of the hair going to be add layers. Now all the sides got finished. Now I pick from the crown area small guideline and rest of the hair is going to be separate. Now releasing the big crown portions. Now I'm just taking to the vertical sections and just reconnecting to the guideline. Rest of the hair I'm going to be add the layers. And just sliding down with all the hair. So in the top portions was something is different things are going to be add. Why? Because the length will be remain same and rest of the hair just giving with more multiple layers and just slicing down and adding more layers. It never visible like a bulky and thicker one. And this is softened, shinier, smallest layers you can just going to be seen like slicing layer. All the section I picked from the vertically and just gradually just going to help out with that like crown portion sections as well, and just stationary guideline I'm just picking exactly this randomly following to all the sections with the rest of the hair and just add slicing it. In this crown portion it's not going to be cut the layers anymore. I'm just slicing down to all the hair and just adding the layers. Now that is the interesting part which can be give completely adding the layers and the crown portions are you can just see the different way to learn, and who having with a very less sufficient length on top as well, they want something scene changes or bouncy look. This is the best techniques, even saving the length and adding more bouncier layer, and also it will be hair, it will visible thicker as well, and nothing going to be carried any tail in the bottom and even top portion also. After that I'm just cross checking slightly and rest of the length here I'm just reconnecting. Now its cut is done almost. I'm just taking the natural layers. I'm just now releasing with a fringe section. Exactly pick from the central section and just reconnecting to the fringes. The already she having with the feather layers kind of it. In that portion only just adding extra layers which can be reduce the curve and just giving to the soft look on the top. So almost cut is done now. Before do the complete to the blow dry and just all the hairs with naturally, and that can be client can understand exactly the what is exact messy look which it becomes out of it. This is my final look after the messy blow dry, which is before doing the blow dry. Now you can just see a lot of layers and the volume will be visible very neat and clean as well. I just push on the front part also, and that is a final look which is after cut and this messy look without styling. That can be going to carry forward with something pretty much good shape on top of that. So this is the final look. Please let me know how was the look, which comments below for more updates and all those things which were learned from it. And now we just do the after this. And before that I'm just showing with the messy layers towards my client, which can be she can understand very easily. Why? Because she carried with very short hairs. Now I'm taking to the sections for a blow dry. Spiral blow dry which can be given with the outlook and visible neat and clean as well. Now all the sides is going to be finished the blow dry, and crown portion only is got left. So please let me know comments below after watching to all the videos, and this video it will be going to something different. And also you guys have seen with the crown portion is slicing down the layers. Please let me know comments below how was sectioning and techniques after the hair texture and techniques as well. I want to be improve more for technical skills and all these things, whatever is remains for the minus things. And I'm really happy to learn new skills for the adding with the implementing with the new haircut techniques. And now the crown portion it will be going to be finishing to the blow dry, and just only front portion is got left, and the center of the crown I just not released. Now I pick from the front portion and just adding the more volume on the blow dry and the front portions towards back, light, left, right, and all the sides to be adding more shine and just visible up clean. Now this is the final look after to the blow dry, and this is the end finishing which can be, you can just see in very clean and neat as well. So hope you guys all understand. Please let me know how do you feel the outlook after the haircut. Please comments below for more updates on this. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates. Hit the bell icon for each and every video will be getting notifications for that. So now this is the front portion. You can just see in the how visible it is, flexible, glossy and bouncy look on the layers. So this is complete after the outlook after the transformation after the layers, which can be already existing hair which can need to be recreate to the layers without compromising. It will be everyone feel like a tough challenge. If you implement these techniques, it will be pretty easy to do that haircuts whatever you'll expect if may. So I hope and I wish this video you all have liked it, and if you like the video, please hit the like button. At least I'm expecting minimum 500 likes for this video, and ultimately I'm just bringing with a new technique skills up to the haircuts for update upcoming videos as well. And now just after this I'm just showing with representing in front of my client, and now I'm just going to be add the texture. The texture is the most important things which can be give with more trendiest looks and finishing look on the blow dry, and after the layer cut it will be looking very clean and neat as well. So without the texture, its haircut is going to be incomplete. So only that depends on some haircut texture only. It's not all hair. It's like similarly thin hair not to be add texture. It's a medium to base thickness hair. It will, you can just going to be add texture that can be visible, flexible and neat and clean look. So that is the things, and just following all the skills and processes, all the ethical things are step by step. So after a haircut is presentations which can be provided only the texture which can need to be re-identify the haircut which can be visible very clean and neat as well. Hope you all are like this video. Please, if you like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll be meet up to the next video. Until, take care and be safe.